Growing up as a child, maraming nagsasabi, ang swerte mo, wala kang kaagaw. Spoiled ka siguro. And yes, may perks. You get your own room, your own space. Mas focus ang attention ng parents mo sa'yo. But here's the part people don't always see. Tahimik ang buhay, walang kaaway, walang kakampi. Walang kuya o ate na sasabi sa'yo pag napagalitan ka. As an only child, you grow up fast. You learn to entertain yourself. Talk to yourself sometimes, usually madalas. You become independent kasi wala kang choice. But independence doesn't always mean hindi ka malungkot. May moments na gusto mo lang may kapatid na pwede mong sabihan, ang grabe si Papa kanina, ano? Or, tara, labas tayo. Someone automatically understands your family dynamics because they're living it too. You become strong, more mature, sometimes immature, and responsible. Sometimes you carry things alone, and that's the hard part. You're surrounded by family at may space na ikaw lang ang nakakaramdam. But here's the beautiful side. Only children often become deeply self-aware, creative, comfortable with solitude. We build strong friendships because we treat friends like siblings. We value connection kasi alam natin yung feeling na tahimik na bahay. So, are we alone? Yes, technically. But lonely? Not always. Being an only child teaches you that solitude is not the enemy. It teaches you resilience. It teaches you how to stand on your own, but also how to cherish people when they come into your life. If you're an only child watching this right now, you're not weird for feeling that way. Valid ang nararamdaman mo. And if you're not, maybe this helps you understand someone who is alone but lonely. Maybe sometimes, but never incomplete.